So I've pretty much finished up all the work on my truck. I got the new hitch on it. I got the tank back in with new sending unit. Had to put a new fuel line. And I fixed up that ball joint too. But that's not really what this is going to be about today. I got all these engine parts here that I'm going to sell, and they're all off of this Chevy 3.8 229 cubic inch V6. So this is going in the junk pile. I'll try and sell the rest of that stuff. So I'm going to bring the tractor over and pick this up and put it in my trailer. Since I'm firing up the tractor, I got a few other things I want to move around with it. So this is the area just under my awning out back, and I'm going to get that tractor brought inside. And then I want to work on this welder too, so that's why I want to move that and clear out this area, make it a little more usable. So first things first, we'll see if the Craftsman will fire up without needing any assistance, like a battery boost or any gas down the carb or anything. was much more of a pain in the ass than I had expected. Yeah, this was already broken and had been very poorly repaired, so I planned to take a look at it anyway, but now it's, you know, I hit it with the front of the bucket, and then it got damaged when I was bringing it around, and I had lifted here, but the chain was rubbing, and it just, you know, put a lot of force on that, so, well. So this is a Ford LGT 14.5, and it has, or had, a Kohler 14 or 14.5 horse in it, and the engine was no good. So I bought it with the plan to rebuild the engine, but it was, the block was screwed. It had been, the cylinder was gouged, so you couldn't even bore it to clean it up. And so recently I purchased another engine off of eBay, found one relatively cheap, so I'm hoping that's going to work out, or somehow between the two I can make one good running engine and put it in this. And then this needs a couple other things. The steering's got about a full turn of play in it, so I need to look at that. So while the engine's out, it's a good time to look at that. I have 2 tires for it. I need to fix up this front grille, and it needs paint and stuff as well. So I'm just getting over a cold, so I might sound a bit stuffed up, and I've been working outside today in the cold, and you know. So yeah, I got a fair bit going on. Get all my parts listed on eBay and Kijiji, and see if I can get rid of some of that stuff. I got a new trailer coming. As you saw, my old one is out there with a full load in it. It's way overloaded right now, and I've been using that one a lot, and that's why I've decided to buy a newer, bigger one. A pretty nice trailer, so hopefully you'll see that soon. That's why I did the hitch and stuff on the truck, just to get it ready. So this is the Kohler engine. It's a horizontal shaft. It's just sitting on its side right now. So this was, you can see, I think the pin at some point came out, and it gouged up the cylinder and the piston, and these rings they're stuck in there. The piston is sort of gouged so bad it won't even come out, and it had some detonation damage, it looks like. And then the cylinder itself is just as badly gouged, in, you know, 180 degrees apart, so can't really see on camera without a light, but up there it's just scraped, and then down on the bottom it's not as bad, but yeah, it's no good. So hopefully this will be the parts engine. That's that carburetor I rebuilt and powder coated. So this will be coming up in the near future. I'm kind of waiting on that engine to get here, and in the meantime I want to get my old Wisconsin engine powered welder going, because I have a potential job where I could use that, and I want to use it around here too. I have a job coming up for myself I want to use it on. So, well, it's more of just an excuse to use it, but heck, why not? I got it sitting there, and I got to get it going anyway. So stay tuned, and as always, thank you very much for watching. And until next time, I'll see you then.